This is Benny, and today we are going to do a Cruella look. This is the tutorial for it. First, we will draw the dimensions of the face, and the nose will be marked below the line. First, we will draw an eye and copy the same eye to the other side. And this is me figuring out the smug look she has. Cruella has a smug look. And this is me giving just a rough suit kind of something in a shape of suit, trying to figure out. And now we'll go to another page, decrease the opacity of the other one, and make a fur doll machine coat for her, because Cruella is famous for that. She has a obsession for fur. And now sketch with a brown color shade, which look realistic rather than black, in another layer. Now all the corrections must be made in this stage, because this is the blueprint for our foundation for the sketch further. I gave her a chain which is shown in the movie, and just a choker. And this is me struggling to figure out what kind of dress to give her, and reshape the jawline. And I just shaped the jawline by using her own hair, so that it looks realistic. And now doing the insides of the fur coat, fixing her hairline, coloring her face. And now the fun part starts, which I struggle with. That is shading. We'll go to another layer, start shading and blending. You must take a textured brush to do the shading. First, you will take a thick coat of the color which you want to shade with, and then you're gonna blend it. This is me giving the doll machine spots on the fur coat, and if you could see, I have just started shading, and I'm playing with colors and see how it works. We will take the nearby color to whatever color you want to shade. If you want to shade for a brown color, then you will take a lighter version of brown or a darker version of brown. As you could see, I'm just filling it with a darker version of whatever color the fur coat is. And now I am blending everything so that it blends with the coat. And now starts the detailing part, and we should also give shading to the Cruella's face. Now I'm finishing the eyebrows and eye makeup stuff, and giving her a lip shade, giving her lips a darker shade in the corners, giving her cheekbones, and giving a shadow below her neck to give her the villainistic look, and contouring her face by giving shadows on the nose on the other side. If you see, just I gave some shadows beneath her eyes so that she looks evilistic. Giving her nose some contouring, giving her chest some contouring, And now it's time for her eyeshadow. This is the thing I have tried, but it did not quite work out, so the purple thing is not working out. It is the mall. Now I'm doing the hair, giving her the curls, similar to shading. Just take a darker color from the original color and try to give texture to it. And now it's for the black part, we'll do with the lighter version to give texture to that. And a little gloss on the lips. Finishing the gloss on the lips and highlights on her suit. And that was a stupid idea, so I will be eventually removing the lines on the waist. And now it's time for the background. I use Gaussian blur. Made her mid-waist darker. And it's time for the highlights. I gave a highlight on the nose, eyebrows, and it's kind of almost done. And the mole on her cheek, which is shown in the movie, and the locket. And this is me trying to give her the villanistic lighting from behind, but it didn't quite work out, so I just focused on the logo, Cruella, and that looked stupid too, so I decreased the size, wrote Cruella, and then modified the text, bent it in a way that it looks nice and curvy. Now I highlighted the title with a dark luminescent brush. And my logo for the finishing, Benny Boy. And gave some lines on her dress. And it's finished. We'll see you back with another tutorial, and this is Cruella.